Hello. Welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to show you how I created this New Year's Christmas themed glitter eyeliner look. Stay tuned. Firstly, I'm going to start off with my thermal water moisturizer. I really love this for my skin, and I really take my time to rub it in and massage it on my face and also my neck to kind of relax the muscles. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I love this foundation to build up more coverage. For this look, I wanted to make the skin a little bit more perfect, so that's why I'm layering some products on top. I'm using here the MAC Face and Body, and actually I do this a lot when I go out. I'm just tanning my neck a little bit to even out my face and my neck, because my neck is always lighter than my face, so I love to do this step. Also, MAC Face and Body has a really beautiful liquid sheen to it, so I always combine it with some other foundations. And I did the NARS liquid blush, really similar to my own kind of flush tone when I'm red. It's a very natural red as a blush. And to combine the look and give dimension, I always apply it a bit on my eyes as too. Then I will take a peach concealer that I place on really thinly and then blend it out with a brush. This I always do before I apply the normal concealer, because to build up the coverage as well, and I also love to color correct before applying the normal concealer. And with the sponge I have more precision, that's why I'm using it on my imperfections. And today I will take the Marc Jacobs iconic palette that has a really beautiful neutral tones and some silvery tones for the festive season. I love these colors. And I defined my lash line a little bit, as you saw before, to map out where I'm going to put the eyeliner. And also taking NARS Orgasm Liquid highlighter, and I'm placing it on my high points of my face, on my chest. I will take the neutral shell color. It's a very light, almost white color, and I place it to my eyebrows, brow bone, and also under my eyes. And as you see, I'm defining the socket also with the taupe color. Overall, just giving more dimension to the face as well with some bronzer and contour. I love to do this trick recently where I take a bit of castor oil and I actually run it between my eyebrows to make like a natural eyebrow gel that helps them grow and maintain them a bit. And yeah, just using a spoolie you can achieve a lot. Now I'm taking the black eyeliner and just smudging it in my lash line to create more depth to the top of my lid. I have a lot of space there, so I can really blend that out. You just have to pay attention, always looking straight in the mirror, how much space you use on your lid to achieve the eyeliner look. And I'm also taking the dark blue from the same palette and defining the lash line again. Next, for the eyeliner glitter eyeliner, I will use a glitter glue before, or even you can use an eyelash glue that is safe for the eyes, and only place it on the part which you want to cover. So I added it on the eyeliner, and then I'll take a small brush that is a little bit damp with some water, and then apply it bit by bit to cover the whole part. Just finishing some touches with the eyeshadow and curl my lashes, a bit of eyebrow pen, marker type thingy. And I'm almost done with the look. I want to show you how I create the lips that I will create, because I wanted this look to be based a bit about kind of this, you have this beautiful defined nude lips, which I mean, I don't have any injections, and I have to somehow create the dimension with the help of different colors. So I will take three colors. This is a dark brown. I'm going to have a medium brown and then kind of champagne color. All of them have shimmer and sheen in it. And they are from NYX, these jumbo pencils. I didn't have any lip liners this color, so I used this instead. And as you see, I smudged around the lip line, the darkest color, and I used a little bit of a medium color in between. And then with the help of a brush, I can really blend those colors out. Finally, the third color is actually a lipstick, so that would be any kind of nude lipstick that you have planned to use, and I use it on the center of the lips and also to outline the outer part and kind of blend the look together. But you see, it creates a lot of dimension, and actually my lips are enlarged massively than they were before, only because of the definition I've used. And even the black one you see on top, I just added a bit to make more apparent line. And the look is basically done. Thank you for watching. I hope you try it. If you do, please send me a video or a photo, and I will talk to you in the next year. And I'm very excited to show more content with you guys, and I'll try to do some of the old requests I had from before, like my skincare routine. I also want to show a video how I apply individual lashes and other tips, so stay tuned. Thank you.